Hello and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1966 Ford Mustang. She's the 289 with the V8 engine in there, the automatic gearbox, and let's be honest, you're never late in a V8, as we say. This car, stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Look at it, finished in black with red interior, black vinyl roof, the V8 engine. What more could you ask? She belongs to a friend of mine and she has been really well cared for. She's all restored. She's absolutely beautiful. Featured in Classic American magazine as well, and well known within club circles. This car is the one to own. You just will struggle to find anything better than this. Anyway, look, let me stop waffling on here. Let's get the camera, let's go and have a look around and check out the condition. Well, here we are, the 1966 Mustang, finished in black. I'm going to do a bit of detailing on this one because the detail of this car is absolutely stunning. Look at this. I mean, black shows every dent, crease, mark, everything, and there is nothing on this car. There's the black vinyl top up there, look at that. And the rear wheel there. Factory GT wheels. Around the back of the car here. It's got the orange indicator conversion as well for the UK market. Look how pin straight that car is. That is just, oh man, it's just gorgeous. Look at the tree in the reflection. Look at that. Again, the roof here, look. It's spectacular, this car. Look at this. Right, let's go and check out the interior. Right, before I go any further, there's the code VIN plate on the door there, where it should be. Inside, like I said, the full red interior. It's the detailing on this car I love, even down to the seat belts. The headlining absolutely perfect. She starts on the button as you'd expect. The driver's door card. Look at this. These cars were just getting better and better cars. Oh, wrong way around. And the boot. Just to show you how good this is. Look at that. That's where they all rot. Got the original carpet set and spare wheel in here as well. And the attention to detail is just superb. Right, let's go and check out that engine bay. And again, under here, it's all in detail. There's the original chassis plate on there, look. Okay, one thing left to do. Let's go and fire her up. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1966 Ford Mustang 289 V8. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.garretttowngarage.co.uk. Please follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and please follow us for more. Hopefully once we get out of this coronavirus lockdown situation, we'll be able to open up for cars and coffee. You can come visit us, come and hang out and see what we're all about. Check out the website, have a look on the shop there at our merchandise and various other bits and pieces, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.